Hello and welcome back, everybody. If you guys are wondering and wanting to stop automatically sharing your stories to Facebook, in today's video we will be guiding you through the process. So let's just get started. Open up Instagram application for that on your Android device or even your iOS. And once you are logged in, you can look out for your profile option in the bottom right corner and go ahead and tap on it. And that should access your profile right here. Now, what you may do is from here, tap on the three horizontal lines, the menu icon in the top right corner of your screen. Look out for it and go ahead and tap on it. Now that you have tapped on it, you need to go ahead and scroll through the given options or go ahead and look out for Account Center, which should be on the first option right there. Go ahead and tap on it. And you should be opening up your Account Center here. Now, what you may do is look out for the option called Sharing Across Profiles, which should be under connected experiences. So go ahead and find it up and tap on it. And then now that you've tapped on it here, you will be finding option for your Facebook and Instagram account. You may go ahead and tap on Instagram account. And then once you go ahead and tap on Instagram account, here under share to option, you need to disable the toggle option for share your Instagram story to Facebook. So here we have this Facebook right here. So what you need to do is if these options automatically share, we have this Instagram post and Instagram story, you may just go ahead and turn it off. So look out for your Instagram post and tap on it, the toggle option right beside it, and turn it off. Same goes for Instagram story as well. Tap on it and turn it off and confirm it up. In that way, now the option has been disabled and your story won't be automatically shared to Facebook. And there we go. So these are the steps you can follow up. You need to adjust your settings for that. So don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.